I'm standing in front of 2817 Shoshone Trail on the Dream Home Street in Indian Peaks west of Lafayette, Colorado, and we're going to take you on a tour. This is a beautiful property with about 10,000 square foot land. It backs to a green belt. We'll see that in a bit. Beautiful landscaping, and it's still early, so some of these bushes are not looking healthy, but it's just time of year. Let's go in. We enter to a living room with hardwood character hickory floors, and almost everything in this home has been updated. I want you to notice the very high quality finishes around all the door openings and the high 6-inch baseboards, and the quality of the finishes of the windows with plantation shutters. The ceilings are vaulted in the living room and also the family room, and there are lots of windows, and it's very light and bright. We're now coming from the front doorway through the hallway, and on our right we have a powder room with a shower, so it's a 3/4 bath in case you wanted to put a bedroom in the office. The laundry room's across the hall, and that door leads to the garage. We'll show you that in a minute, and it's got a laundry sink. The family room is the most spectacular room in the house. All of it's been redone so it'll accommodate new flat screen TVs that are very large. It'll accommodate a 65-inch. The windows, there are 13 windows. The upper windows have automatic shades or remote controlled shades that can roll them up and down. It's got a fireplace and just a view out to a really peaceful and serene backyard and the deck. From the family room, it's very connected to the kitchen. The kitchen has been very updated with 2-inch granite counters. It's got glass cabinets, new appliances, 5-burner gas range or cooktop, and a Bosch ultra quiet 39 decibel dishwasher, which the owners say is so quiet they don't even know it's running. This is truly an indoor-outdoor living home. This deck has been redone with Trex. It's got a beautiful, very heavy wood, new pergola and sunshade here. It's got footway lighting and stamped concrete patio. The fencing is all new. It's got grates over the key window wells, and it's got a wonderful garden out here that's just nicely put together, along with a pea gravel play area with a play structure. And that grass area is a green belt that goes, if you go to the left up here, there's a park, a play park 4 doors away. And then one more detail on the house, it's got gas stubbed in line here so that you have permanent gas to the grill. And this is around the south side of the home. Upstairs we have 4 bedrooms, each with its own bathroom. This is the master suite, very large, again vaulted ceilings. All the fixtures and appointments are very nice. The carpet is very new, and closet is ample sized, and a very large bathroom. One notable feature is they put in an extra long tub for tall people. Continuing down the hallway to bedroom 2, this bedroom also is very light. They had an extra window here in order to be able to bring in more light. Bedroom 2 goes through a Jack and Jill bathroom. To bedroom 3. Again, notice all of the door and window casings. The owner is very skilled at woodwork and did this work himself. And you can't tell it from a professional. Moving down the hallway to the 4th bedroom upstairs. This bedroom is a little bit larger and has an ensuite bathroom. We're now moving down to the basement. The basement has 2 bedrooms and a rec room and a great hobby room. Here's bedroom 5 in the house. Nice closet. This is very nice sized. Across the hallway is a storage room that's about 10 by 10. Linen closet here. And this one's fun. This is a storage closet, but they've converted it into a little playroom. Moving along is the downstairs bathroom. Full bath. Could comfortably accommodate 2 bedrooms. And then here's the recreation room. And the final bedroom. I love this hobby room. It's very large, has lots of light. They added extra lighting plus electrical switches at workbench level so that you could do anything you wanted in here. If you're a hobbyist, this is perfect for you. If you work out, this would be a great exercise room. And it's got a small closet here. And look, he even did the woodworking here. One great feature of this house is it's got an oversized 3-car garage. And it's got lots of extra shelving. And even over the garage doors. With an access door out to the back. We're almost done looking at 2817 Shoshone Trail. One of the things that I would also point out is that while you're in your house, you have a great view of other beautiful houses. Let me show you those. These are the homes that are directly across the street from this home. Wouldn't you know, I picked garbage day to shoot this video. And that concludes our video. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Brian McDonald. I'm a real estate agent with Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage in Boulder, Colorado. I work really hard here in Lafayette, and this is one of the most beautiful houses I've listed in a long time. It'll go on the market here approximately on May 15th here in 2020, and I hope to see you at a showing. Take care.